how to create a assembly or component in Fusion 360. Okay, so let's say you've got something you're putting together, an assembly in Fusion 360, and there's something you're going to use over and over. Okay, for my robotics students, it might be this bolt and nut combo here. Okay, so what you can see I've done here is I've actually created a component, and I've given it the name Bolt Nut Fusion 360 Assembly. All right, so the best way to do that is you need to start a new design, all right, and then you will save it first because it won't let you do anything else before you do that. So I'm going to call this Bolt Nut Assembly, call it whatever it's supposed to be, and this is 2 for me right now. Make sure it's in the correct destination folder, all right, that's where I want mine to go. Then click Save. All right, and then you pull in the pieces that you need to go in there. All right, so for me, those pieces are in this structure folder, and I need to find, let's see, the 8/32 Kep's nut. So I'm going to insert this into the drawing. Okay, and then I'll just click OK. And I need this bolt. We want the 8/32 and this one, insert. All right, and I can move this a little bit just to make it easier to work with. And then I'll say OK. All right, and once you join these together, you just click Save, and then you can go about putting them into your assembly. So if that's all you need to know about how to create a component, stop the video here and finish creating your thing, put it in your assembly. All right, for people in robotics who want to follow with a specific assembly, this is how it works, or if you just need more directions, this is how it works. Shouldn't take more than another couple minutes here. All right, so I need to join these together. All right, and so I am going to join this cylinder here with a rigid joint to this bottommost circle here, right there. Okay, and here's the thing. If I have it that close, there's not going to be any space for the actual metal plating to go between those. I'll be able to put it on my assembly, but if I looked at it closely from underneath or from the side, and like I turn the visibility off of like this thing here, let's see, well, you get the picture. I would be able to see that it's going through it. Okay, it's not actually respecting the sheet metal that's in between. So I found out each of these pieces of sheet metal for Vex is 0.046 thickness in inches. So for 2 of them to be connected, got to multiply that by 2, it's 0.092. All right, and so I just need to move this away that distance. So I can come to my joint. Let's go open that parent there, and then right-click. We're going to edit the joint, and we need to adjust probably the z-axis. You can play around with it to see if it's the right one. That is the right one, and I just need to make it negative. Click OK, and then we are all set.